What happens when innovation meets action? On June 27, 2025, Anker Innovations and Matanzas Riverkeeper came together to make a difference, one shoreline at a time. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. As the sun rose over St. Augustine's Lighthouse Park, volunteers gathered with purpose, equipped for action, and welcomed by the energy of the Anker team. From gloves to grabbers, and a display of smart, sustainable tech, the day was set to inspire. With excitement on board, the Litter Gitter ferry transported groups to Anastasia Island State Park. Along the way, they learned about the day's mission, safety practices, and the environmental footprint we're here to reduce. With the ferry now docked and the breeze carrying the scent of salt and sand, volunteers stepped onto Anastasia Island, not just as individuals, but as a united force for good. Armed with buckets, gloves, and grabbers, they spread out across dunes and forest trails, determined to clear what didn't belong. Water bottles, cigarette butts, plastic fragments, every piece picked up was one less threat to marine life. Young kids leaned into the challenge, high-fiving as they filled their first buckets. Adults lifted heavier debris from thickets, while site leads coordinated zones and helped sort recyclables from landfill waste. Some volunteers documented the haul, tallying findings to help researchers better understand what's plaguing our coastal ecosystems. Laughter mixed with focus as hands reached, bent, grabbed, and restored. The momentum built with every step. This was more than cleanup. It was reclamation, a return of the shoreline to the wild, unburdened by human neglect. By the end, dozens of bags overflowed with recovered waste, but the real result? A cleaner coast and a community more connected to the cause. As the waves carried them back, bags of collected debris symbolized a job well done. But the mission didn't end there. Back at the St. Augustine Yacht Club, a nourishing self-serve lunch welcomed volunteers into a space of learning and exploration. But the real energy? It sparked in the Anker Product Experience Zone, where sustainability met innovation. Anker Solix stole the spotlight, showcasing solar-powered solutions for clean, off-grid energy, proving that powering your life doesn't have to cost the planet. Nearby, Nebula's portable smart projectors turned heads, not just for entertainment, but for their compact, energy-efficient design that fits right into eco-conscious lifestyles. Soundcore brought immersive audio with a purpose, products designed with durability, long battery life, and sustainable packaging, making every beat a greener choice. And finally, Eufy demonstrated how smart living can be green living, with robot vacuums and security systems that reduce waste, conserve power, and simplify sustainable home routines. It can use solar energy to charge itself. In the future, these camera products will be more useful in the hands of NGOs and will help them manage the coast and reduce environmentally damaging behaviors. Together, these innovations told a story. Technology isn't just part of the future, it's part of the solution. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.